Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin and a little bit about the markets as well. I have a little bit of trouble talking. I'm still a little bit sick from Christmas, etc. I hope all of yours Christmas were good, but so bear with me. But the main thing with Bitcoin is very similar as yesterday. I mean, obviously we're falling quite a bit right now, but that was to be expected. All right, so the move that we had Tuesday into Wednesday mostly was very leverage driven, as you can see right here. I mean, we basically had a huge leverage spike on Tuesday, and then that continued over the course of Wednesday. So this was to be expected, and this is also what we talked about yesterday. The main thing though, and that is still kind of the question now, the main thing that we also talked about though, is, well, we're trying to form some sort of a consolidation, right? So Bitcoin is trying to move sideways here. And the question is, well, is this level around 99,000, which so far has been the main resistance? Is that going to be the top of the consolidation? Or can we actually still move up to this level right here at 102,000, which has been solidified as quite a strong resistance level as well? And that is still, at this point of time, that's still up to discussion, all right? For me, it really depends on this level right here at 96,000. That is a relatively strong level. We have the monthly opening there. We have the monthly POC there. We have the 200 EMA there. And so far, it looks like we're not really getting that much strength from there. But I do think that, especially today, when the US opens, we can get some bullish momentum from there. So right now, when we're just really literally talking about Bitcoin, to me, there's two scenarios. Either we do something like this, all right, and then it's confirmed in my eyes that we will consolidate between 99,000 and, let's say, 92,000. So this is, I think, the most likely scenario if we actually are not able to hold the level around 96,000. Because if we are able to hold that level at 96,000, I think we can still get some sort of a move into 102,000 and then from there drop down, because I don't really expect us to here at the end of the year break out above 102,000 and turn super bullish all of a sudden again. That's not what I expect. But obviously consolidating between 92,000 and 102,000 is more bullish than consolidating between 99,000 and 92,000. So that's what we'll see over the course of today. I mean, if I would have to give you my most likely scenario, it would still be this, even though Bitcoin at the moment looks quite weak. We have a lot of support still at 95,000 here, as you can see historically as well. We have the weekly opening there, for example, as well. And then outside of that, what I think is very important is that the stock markets, there's a bit of a divergence between the stock markets and Bitcoin. You can see that the S&P 500 is almost back to those same highs we were at 20 days ago. And then Bitcoin is still trading much lower. So that is something that especially over the US session today can actually come into play. And if we actually do see some sort of increased buying, which at the moment is definitely not true. I mean, if you look at the Coinbase Bitcoin price, that's still trading at a massive discount, right? So at the moment, like I said, it doesn't really seem like we're getting that buying pressure from the US, but because of the other capital markets, because of the other asset markets, I do think that we can realistically expect something like that. So yeah, therefore I still think something like this is most likely. I will keep you updated on this. I'll be back with another middle of the day market update, excuse me, later today, and hopefully my voice is a bit better then. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.